वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, उम्मीद है कि आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो ये है कि हम लोग साइंस के चैप्टर के ऊपर चैप्टर नंबर 4 को रीड अप करेंगे। लाइक दैट द लाइफ साइकिल्स ऑफ द एनिमल्स। इसमें हम लोग लाइफ साइकिल्स रीड अप करेंगे एनिमल्स की, कि वो किस चीज़ से कहाँ तक कि अपनी लाइफ साइकिल्स को जो है वो चलाते हैं। लाइफ साइकिल, ऑल एनिमल्स हैव अ लाइफ साइकिल। अ साइकिल इज़ द समथिंग दैट हैपन्स ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन. With time, all living things become old and die. Absolutely. But they can make copies of themselves by having young ones. The life cycle of the animals is the all stage in its life. The life cycles also show how an animal make copies to itself by having any bodies. Frog live near ponds. They live on land but often go into the water. Frog have the babies while languages laying egg in the water. These pictures show you have a small egg grow into the frog. They are the frog eggs ponds. The tadpole grows into the egg. The tail disappears. The tadpole became a frog and the frog them out of the water. The tadpole John groans. The front legs groan. Discuss the answers. How you see a frog. Talk about it is your class. Most fish have a babies by laying egg in water. The babies which come out of the eggs are called fry. Here is the life cycle. You can see the egg pictures, then you can see the fry and the adult fish. This is called the life cycle of the fish. Next option is most insects have a life cycle like that of the butterflies as shown in the figure. Firstly, you can see the pupocharis, then caterpillar, then egg, and then they called butterfly. Next option is the birds. After building a nest, a bird lays egg in them. Most birds lay 2 or 3 eggs. This is the picture of the life cycles of the birds that you can see. Then first and fully you can see the picture of the egg and then hatching, then the click, check, and then hen. Eggs have to be kept warm, so one of the birds sides of them. Soon the body birds hatch. They are usually blind and bald. They have to be fed by the adult birds. When the body birds have grown features and are not strong to fly, they leave the nest. Concept check. Tick all of the true statements. Baby birds hatch from eggs is true. Have to be birds is true. Have no features is true. Can fly, it's false. Are blind is true. Stay in the nest, it's true. And the next topic is unit number 5. The life cycle of the plants. Plants are called producers because they make their own foods, differ gently in size, shapes, and the types of the animals in which they live. Plants produce various things such as flowers and fruits, seeds and vegetables, stems and leaves, and roots. Look at any garden. The first things you will see to notice are the flowers. Flowers are lovely, colorful, and often smell sweet. All seeds come flowers. Flowers help plant to reproduce, make copies of themselves. First, a tiny bird appears on the stem of the plant. The bird grows into the flowers, a watermark plant, and later on the flowers grow into a fruit. Fruit and seeds. Fruit grow from the flowers. Fruit contains seeds. Not all fruits have the same number of seeds. Some, like the mango, have only one large seed. Others, like the papaya, have many tiny seeds. Seeds are protected by the skin and flesh of the fruits. Many seeds. One seed and many seeds. You can see that many seeds in the watermelons. One seed. When a fruit is broken open or dries up, its seeds may fall into the soil near the plant. Seeds are dispersed in many ways. Some seeds have wings and are carried by the wind to places from away from the plant. Some seeds are collected by humans and planted in the soil. Then you can see in these pictures, seeds are eaten by animals along with fruit, and the seeds are excreted. Many seeds are saturated by the wind. They can be saturated by explosion. Thank you so much.